Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage. On the application of ChatGPT, we click on settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about ChatGPT as you see, and you will click. In this window here of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us